So today is Sunday, the 31st of May, and we gotta replace the front struts suspension. Okay, so my driver's side suspension or strut is clunking because I ran over a concrete divider for the parking. I don't know if you can imagine that, but it damaged everything underneath, including the driver's side suspension. Okay, so first things first, lift the car and then remove the tires. To free up the strut, so removing 2 bolts here and the stabilizer bar, remove this, and also the brake line, and that's it, it's free. Now we go to the top, but we need to check the camber so we don't have to do an alignment later. So half after zero, almost half after zero. Two bolts are out. I put the jack underneath, and we can remove these 2 bolts now. Let's remove this, the stabilizer bar. It's free. Don't lose your bolts, and this part is supported by the jack. Let's go up and remove the bolts, the 2 bolts that's holding it on the top. Third bolt, and it's hidden here, and you need an extension, a shorter extension. Don't forget to disconnect your brake line using a flathead screwdriver. Just like that, it's free. We can take it off. Okay, here we go. Here we go. This point, it's one of 2 ways. Either you already bought a complete strut like this, or we're gonna use the spring. So I bought just the suspension, and then we're gonna compress the spring using the spring compressor, strut spring compressor that I leased from AutoZone. I borrowed from AutoZone, and then when I return that, they're gonna give me my money back. So we need to compress the spring and remove this bolt. Okay. Okay. It's off. Where is it? There you go. We'll reuse this. Don't lose this. So this is it. So what's wrong? Clunk, clunk. Oh, I'm gonna use this. That's all. That's it. This is the new suspension. Make sure they are the same side, same connections. Yep, same. Okay, ready to install. Same. Huh. Okay. I don't know. Rubber boot. Okay. And the spring. Go. Make sure this locks here at the what do you call this, the lip. Okay, now we need to put the top and decompress the spring. Go. New bolt. We'll use the new bolt. Okay. Now we're ready to decompress the spring. It's ready to go back in. Just the reverse. Put the 3 bolts up over there, and then connect the bottom 2 bolts and the stabilizer bar. Need to align the 3 bolts first. This made the work longer. I lost the screw, the 3rd screw, so I had to open this up. Just remove 1 wiper and flip the plastic molding. Then tighten this. After you tighten this, that's the time you tighten the outside screws. Don't tighten this 2 screws first, otherwise you're not gonna align the hole for the screw inside. Top is connected. You just need to connect the bottom. Okay, and 2 bolts first. Big bolt at the bottom. If it's not aligned, use your jack to lower or increase the height. In this case, okay, now this it goes in. Okay, first mine. Lose your nut. Next one is for our camber adjustment. Again, I'll just go. The jack to align the hole for the stabilizer bar or link. There you go. One more. Okay. There you go. Easy, easy peasy. Now tighten everything up. Okay, for the camber bolt, I like to do this by hand so it doesn't mess with the alignment. Hopefully it doesn't mess with the alignment. check the, where's my stuff? Loosen the jack. Huh. Okay. Need to make some adjustments. It's at number 2 right now. So a while ago it was less than 1. Here we go, here we go. It's at 1.5, okay? Need to be less than 1. Okay, I need to loosen the bottom bolt. 1.5, 1. Okay, loosen some more. Up. What are you doing? Why is he going back? Hold on. There you go. This is perfect. 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 No, too perfect. Need to make adjustments. It's all right. That's it. It's perfect. It's done. Now just return the lines. This is, I think, the speed sensor, and this, the brake line. I need 2 hands for this, but basically it's done. So that's how you replace the strut suspension on the front. Basically doing the same on the other side. Okay, make sure you have the right camber. Okay, that's it. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye.